Sacred geometry is a science that believes that the harmony of the surrounding environment affects people's health, an exponent of this thesis. Ibrahim Karim is an Egyptian architect and engineer who is known for his theories on sacred geometry and how it can be applied to architecture. He argues that sacred geometry, a set of geometric shapes such as circles, triangles, and spirals, can be used to create buildings that promote the health and well-being of the people who inhabit them. Karim has created a technology called BioGeometry which aims to use sacred geometry to balance and harmonize ambient energies. He argues that this technology can be used to create buildings that are capable of neutralizing the negative effects of electromagnetic radiation and other harmful environmental factors. The Indian tradition knows a series of concepts related to energy and sacred geometry, such as the concept of Vastu Shastra. This tradition, which dates back to at least the 3rd century BC, is a system of architecture and design that aims to create buildings and environments that promote the health, prosperity and well-being of the people who inhabit them. Vastu Shastra uses an energy grid based on a series of cardinal directions and points, where each direction is associated with a natural element and a series of positive or negative qualities. For example, the north direction is associated with water and prosperity, while the south direction is associated with fire and destruction. Furthermore, Vastu Shastra also uses a number of sacred geometric shapes, such as circles, triangles, and spirals, to create an energetic balance in the building. Going back to Ibrahim Karim, he has also developed a series of biogeometry symbols and shapes which he says can be used to improve air and water quality, as well as promote people's emotional and spiritual well-being. Ibrahim Karim argues that there are specific points on Earth, called energy points, that can have positive or negative effects on people's health and well-being. Healing points. These points are considered ideal for building health facilities and for healing and rehabilitation activities. Sickness points. These points are considered hazardous to health and should be avoided for building construction or other activities. Even in China we have concepts of harmony of the environment and its effects on health. Feng Shui is a traditional Chinese practice that aims to create harmony and balance between the environment and the people who live there. Feng Shui is based on the idea that energy, called qi, flows through the environment and can affect the health, happiness and well-being of the people who live there. Feng Shui uses several techniques to manipulate and improve the flow of energy, including the orientation of buildings, the arrangement of furniture and the use of colors and shapes. Going back to Ibrahim Karim, although Karim's theory of energy points is not accepted by the scientific community, he argues that his biogeometry technology can be used to neutralize the negative effects of these points and create environments that promote health and well-being. Ibrahim Karim argues that Egyptian hieroglyphs not only have a written meaning but also an energetic function. He argues that these hieroglyphs contain sacred geometric shapes that can have positive effects on people's health and well-being. He claims Egyptian hieroglyphs were used to create an energy balance in temples and burial sites. Although there are many cultures who know and apply concepts of sacred geometry, the video ends here. I hope that what has been presented in this video has aroused your curiosity on this little known subject but which I consider very important. Thanks for watching.